Hello guys, welcome to my Son de France. Today I'm just going to review this little light and see what this is all about. So I got these two packages the other day. One is the light box and the other one is the actual video light. So let's get this light box open. I'm wondering what this looks like. So here we have a strap. It doesn't have instructions, but there's a rubber band. So I'm pretty sure this goes on the light itself. And then it has the little light box. And I guess the straps go in here. Like this. So let me get it started. Pretty sure it goes like this. And then or actually it opens all the way. So somehow it's gonna end up overlapping, I think. And that will help keep it stable on the light. As you can see, I have this mic holder. So if this was the light, then you could just easily hold it in place and close it like this, and then it would hold around. And then for extra security, I guess you could do this. So let's see. I have here a light. And this one is Polaroid Studio Series Camcorder video light. And it comes with accessories, a plug, batteries, instruction, these batteries have they're taped to the package. So let's undo that, get rid of that tape, see if I can open this, and let's see, it says minus, is this it? And I guess these are rechargeable. Let's see. Yep. And so this is the light. And you can see. I can show you guys because it's pretty dark inside of my house right now, in this room particularly. So this is my room light, and this would be the light caused by the camcorder light, which is pretty good. My ring light obviously is going to have more power than this little light. But I think it's pretty good. Like, that way you won't be shooting in the dark. Right now, these cameras have so much technology that you don't really need that much light. You can adjust it even afterwards. So that's pretty cool, just to have the extra illumination so you can adjust it yourself. And it has a plug. I guess you recharge the batteries with the plug. The light comes on, and let's see, it doesn't turn on when it's plugged in. Yeah, it doesn't turn on when it's plugged in, but it's a nice little, light. I think I did this backwards. So I'm just gonna try try it again. And so here we have it, and just slide in, push on, and that's the illumination that I'm getting. So we'll try this without as well, and that looks really good. I'm liking that. See, that looks much better. So I'm just having a little bit of technical issues mounting it, but I think these two products are really good together. Here's with, here's without. So anyways, I like my purchase. I think it wasn't a waste of money. Yeah, this softbox really helps like capture everything, like, because it's like diffusing the light into a larger screen. But it does come with instructions, which I didn't read, but thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys again soon on my song, Different. Bye-bye.